Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2015 Chevrolet Equinox LT. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in black, and under the hood you'll find a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, roof rails, and a power liftgate which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Equinox and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, our power liftgate button, and a starter button which is fully functional. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. Along the entire side, up the bottom door, you have some storage space. You have a nice little shelf here as well. And above it, you'll find your power windows, locks, and mirrors. This Equinox is equipped with black leather seating. And on the bottom, you will find your power seating adjustment buttons. To start it up, we're just going to press that button and that key will fold out. First things first is the left side of the steering wheel. Here you'll find your cruise control settings. On the right, you'll find your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, and as well as their volume buttons and this scroll button which allows you to navigate through the entertainment screen. We can navigate through the multi-information screen. The buttons are located on the bottom here. You can see we can cycle through. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on home. Here you have all your different options. You have your auxiliary. Here you connect your phone through Bluetooth. We have tone. You can adjust the volume settings and how the sound comes out. We can also press more. There you have your phone option as well. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and you have your standard AM and FM options. We do also have a backup camera as well. Down below, you have your volume options. You also have your home button, which will take you to that screen. Here you'll find your child locks. Beneath that is your climate control system. Nice and simple. You got your intensity and temperature. Driver and passenger heated seats. Moving down below, we have some storage compartments here. Next to the shifter, you have your Eco Drive mode. And your standard 2 cup holders. Let's open up that center console. All the way inside, plenty of space. Before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back here. Inside the door, you have some storage space, just like the driver's side. Continuing with the black leather seating. Behind the front passenger and driver's seats, we do have these nets for some extra storage space. You can pull this down. That'll give you access to 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. And lastly, these seats do fold down. Just press that upwards and that'll give you access to your cargo. To open up, all we gotta do is hold this button on our key fob and that power liftgate will open on its own for us, nice and easy. Taking a look inside, there's plenty of cargo space. On the left and right, we have some storage compartments. Like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down and that'll give you some extra bit of cargo space. And lastly, if we look underneath here, you will find your spare tires and your tools to change that in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, all we gotta do is press this button right up top and that power liftgate will close on its own for us. Taking a last look at our 2015 Chevy Equinox. Once again, some of those great interior features include your Bluetooth compatibility, heated seats, hands-free calling, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name's Christian, and as always, drive safe.